Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to count the number of cells that contain a text value. Now I'm going to show you two examples, the second of which has an important twist to it. So I do suggest you stay to the end of the video to watch this particular example. So with the basic example, we're going to use the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF has two arguments, range and criteria. Now range is the range of cells that you're counting in. So for me that's A1 to A10. And then criteria is what you're counting. Now we're counting any text values. And to do that, we just put the asterisk symbol within quotation marks. Now the asterisk is a wildcard and it basically means any number of text characters. If I close the bracket there and press enter, it counts 5 because there are 5 cells with the text value within that range. Now, second example, we want to count the number of sales reps that have achieved a sales medal. So I'm going to do the same thing using COUNTIF. My range would be column C, comma, and I'm going to use the same criteria initially. So the asterisk within quotation marks, close the bracket, press enter, and I get 10. Now there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 medals in column C. Now the reason we're getting this error is because these medal values are returned by a formula. Now this formula evaluates what sales value each salesperson has achieved and then works out which medal they should be awarded. But if the salesperson hasn't met either of these targets, then this formula returns an empty text string. You can see the two quotation marks there. Now that empty text string is counted when we use this criteria. And obviously we don't want that to be the case. So what you can do is put a question mark before the asterisk, which requires at least one text character in the cell. So if I press enter, you'll see then we get the result of 6, which is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 medals. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.